Alright, so I thought I'd do an update on the Cub Cadet. So my last video was, it was running pretty rough and it went through a whole tank of fuel when it should have only taken maybe a quarter of a tank. So this will save you money, this tip. I changed everything, checked the fuel filter. Here's a fuel filter here. And then I took it in for a service and told them. And the Carby was full of junk. Now I was going to change this little computer thing here, but the service center said they've never changed any of them. So yep, I could have done that myself afterwards. It was an easy fix, just clean out your Carby. And they said it was full of gunk. I don't know what I've been doing. I don't know what was in the fuel, but clean out the Carby, and now it's running right as rain.